Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to walk you through the process of uploading pictures on Bing Chat. So, let's dive right into it. Start by opening your browser and navigating to bing.com. If you are not already logged in, make sure to do so. Once you are on the platform, look for the image icon. This is where the magic happens. You can choose to paste an image link, upload a file from your device, or even take a picture using your camera. For instance, if you choose to upload a file, simply select the image you want from your device and it will be added to the conversation. Now, you are all set to write prompts and engage in creative conversations with Bing Chat using the images you have uploaded. I think that's it. Thanks for joining us in. Have fun exploring the possibilities with images and Bing Chat. See you next time.